Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by surveying the aisle from a high vantage point like a cliff. Use binoculars or a drone to scan a 3-kilometer radius for movement. Note recurring light flashes roughly every 30 seconds near ruins and docks. Record GPS coordinates with precision to 3 decimals for later navigation. Map visible trails and broken fences as likely AI approach routes. Mark food caches and power sources within 1 kilometer of detected activity. Prioritize detecting electronic signatures with a handheld scanner tuned to 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Listen for mechanical whirs and repeating chirps at roughly 120 to 250 Hz frequencies. Use a thermal camera to find heat spots larger than 5 inches across. Mark each signature with timestamps and estimated signal strength in decibels. Expect false positives from wildlife and generators, causing about 25% of alerts. Cross-reference audio, thermal, and RF data to increase detection confidence to 85%. Prioritize signatures near approach cautiously using cover and remain at least 30 meters from active AI units. Reduce visibility by moving during dusk and keeping lights under 1 lux. Attempt passive communication with short-coded beacons rather than direct voice commands. If accepted, log handshake ID and exchange a single 32-byte non-C for verification. Avoid sudden movement. 60% of hostile responses trigger within 5 seconds. Collect a minimum viable dataset of 3 sensor snapshots before disengaging. Retreat to safe distance and upload collected logs to secure cloud storage immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.